Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at some key maintenance tasks and how they impact safety, savings, and uptime. Let's jump right in. Schedule regular inspections. Consistency matters more than intensity. Break inspections into manageable chunks. Daily checks. Focus on critical safety items, tire pressure, lights, brake connections. Weekly reviews. Dig deeper into structural components like frame welds and load securing gear. Monthly deep inspections. Cover everything, including lubrication, electrical systems, and hidden corrosion spots. Assign inspections to specific shifts or drivers, so nothing gets missed in handoffs. Use digital tools. Paper checklists get lost. Digital tools keep records organized and automate reminders. Consider fleet maintenance apps like Fleetio or MaintainX for tracking tasks and generating reports. Dedicated trailer tracking software such as WhipAround or Zonar, which include pre-built inspection templates. Simple spreadsheet tools if you're on a budget. Google Sheets with conditional formatting can flag overdue items. Digital logs also simplify compliance audits. No more digging through file cabinets for outdated paperwork. A solid implementation plan turns your checklist from a formality into a frontline defense against breakdowns. Start small, train thoroughly, and scale up as your team adapts. Common mistakes to avoid when maintaining your trailer fleet. Even the most detailed checklist won't help if bad habits sneak into your maintenance routine. These slip-ups might seem minor, but they quietly eat into safety, compliance, and profits. Skipping minor repairs. Ignoring small issues is like ignoring a check engine light. What starts as a $50 fix can snowball into a $5,000 disaster. For example, loose wiring becomes a short circuit that disables trailer lights mid-haul. A tiny air leak in brake lines worsens over time, leading to sudden brake failure. Minor frame rust spreads unseen, weakening structural integrity until a crack appears under load. Postponing repairs rarely saves money. Instead, it leads to unplanned downtime. The kind that delays deliveries and angers clients. Costly secondary damage. Like a blown tire shredding fenders or brake lines. Safety violations. Regulators don't accept, "We were going to fix that next week," as an excuse. If something seems fine for now, assume it won't be fine for long. Neglecting manufacturer guidelines. Trailer manuals aren't just paperwork. They're cheat sheets for maximizing your equipment's lifespan. Bypassing them means gambling with lubrication schedules. Using the wrong grease interval on fifth wheels causes premature wear. Torque specs. Over-tightened lug nuts warp brake drums. Under-tightened ones loosen on the road. Recommended parts. Generic brake pads might fit but wear out faster than OEM versions. Deviating from the manual also voids warranties. Worse, it leaves you liable if an avoidable failure causes an accident. Stick to the script on fluid types. Like hydraulic fluid or coolant mixtures. Inspection intervals. Hourly, mileage-based, or seasonal. Component lifespans. When to replace bearings, tires, or suspension parts. Your trailer's manual isn't a suggestion, it's the rulebook. Measuring the success of your maintenance program. A maintenance checklist is only as good as the results it delivers. To know if yours is working, you need clear ways to measure progress. Tracking the right metrics helps spot gaps, justify investments, and keep your fleet running smoothly. Track downtime and repair costs. Numbers don't lie. Keeping detailed records shows where maintenance saves or costs money. Look for patterns like unplanned downtime hours. Compare months before and after implementing your checklist. Fewer surprise repairs mean your system works. Total repair expenses. A well-maintained trailer averages lower costs over time. Track spending per vehicle monthly. Repeat issues. If the same brake or wiring problem keeps appearing, dig deeper. Maybe your inspection process misses something. Use fleet management software to log repairs automatically. Spotting a trend early, like rising axle seal failures, can prevent a fleet-wide breakdown. Solicit driver feedback. Drivers see problems first. Their input helps tweak your checklist for real-world use. Try this. Ask directly. A quick weekly check-in. Noticed anything unusual with the trailers? Uncovers issues a mechanic might miss. Make reporting easy. Use a simple app or paper form in the cab for jotting down strange noises, rough rides, or warning lights. Act on suggestions fast. If drivers report loose fenders or flickering lights, fixing them quickly builds trust in the process. One driver might mention a recurring air pressure drop. That small tip could reveal a hidden brake line leak before it strands a trailer. Good maintenance isn't just about following steps. It's about adapting to what the data and your team tell you. Watch the numbers, listen to drivers, and adjust as you go. A maintenance checklist is your first line of defense. A maintenance checklist isn't just paperwork. It's your fleet's first line of defense against breakdowns, fines, and costly repairs. By focusing on brakes, tires, lights, and structural integrity, you catch small issues before they escalate. Training your team and sticking to a schedule turns inspections into habit, not hassle. Start small if you need to. Track your results, listen to driver feedback, and adjust as you go. The sooner you implement a checklist, the sooner you'll see fewer surprises and more miles of smooth operation. Your trailers and your bottom line will thank you. Ready to build yours? Grab a template, customize it for your fleet, and start inspecting today. The road to reliability begins with a single checklist. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.